Welcome back to Wave 3 Listens. Guys and gals, if you're over 40 years old, guess what? You probably do need a little help, and that's okay. It's not your fault, as Lisa always says to me. It is not your fault. Let's talk a little bit about the age in which, the threshold in which people may need help. And I guess it's different for everyone, but for the most part, about that 40 range, you're going to
I mean, we're starting to see younger and younger, and I think it's a product of our environment. But to be honest, at age 35, I always say you probably need us. Your levels are going down. At age 40, you definitely do. You've only got about half the testosterone that you had when you were 25. And quite frankly, that just isn't healthy. The range of testosterone is from like 200, I believe it's 64 to 900 and something. Why should a gentleman at 200 and something not be able to be boosted up to 900? You know, it's a huge, huge range, and it makes a big, big difference when it comes to those levels. For women, it's obviously a little bit lower, our testosterone, and yes, women do need testosterone. It's good for us, for our energy, our muscle tone, our sex drive as well. But now we're going to focus on the men and the confidence package. Again, the facts are most men have about 50% or less testosterone after age 40. Erectile dysfunction is a recognized common problem. It is a medical problem. It's linked to low testosterone or low drive. It is decreased blood flow. We can address all of this. And at least 40% of men over 40, this comes from the Cleveland Clinic, are experiencing this. And this is really important. Most men don't go to the doctor. They, for whatever reason, they think they feel okay. And you know, sometimes that decline is so slow that it just kind of becomes their new norm to feel that but they don't have to feel like that. So what we're offering is an all-inclusive 4-month membership. That way they can kind of dip their toe in. And I promise you are going to feel better in 4 months. Most men will feel better in about a month, depending on if they're overweight or have other, you know, medications that they're on. But it's perfect for those men that have low energy, low muscle tone, their belly fat is up there, they've had failed sexual experience, they need a better drive or performance. It's just one price. There are no other costs. It's going to include a physical, a consultation, a 4-month supply of your testosterone, all of your lab work, generic Viagra if needed. Sometimes that is, like I said, some medications that your body doesn't make, we do actually need, and we do provide that. And a 4-month supply of vitamin D3. And the reason we do that is because that's very, very important for your bones. It pulls calcium into your bones. It's very important for Alzheimer's as you age, for both men and women. There's tons of studies out there that talk about that. And it's good for mood and weight loss. Again, so many studies out there that so many of us don't know, and that's what we educate you on. You're going to get medical supervision, again, a physical exam. We're going to monitor those levels. Jennifer can speak to that, about how often she comes in and what gets monitored and how things can change over time. They're very important biomarkers that we look at, weight, blood pressure, all these things. And again, 1 hour. Studies show that you get 5 to 7 minutes in with your physician. And that's not their fault either. That's just what they have to do. They're not taught about hormones. It's not what they are experts in. This is what we do. We are experts in hormones. And again, one cost of all your labs and tests, you're going to save over $800 with this package. And if you just go to 25again.com/low T, you can purchase that package online. You can get started in 3 days. You can call or complete the form at 25again.com/low T. Visit our office, get your measurements, meet your doctor, nurse practitioner, get your medications, one price, no other costs. And by the way, we are affiliated with a pharmacy, and hopefully Jennifer's had good luck with that as well. The medications, we're all busy. We don't have time to go and wait. Oh gosh, it's not there. It gets delivered straight to your door within 24 to 48 hours. It's called New Vitalis. It's very important when we're talking about compound medications, because compounding is just a little bit different in each pharmacy because it's made tailored just for you. So again, that's another way we make it easier. Come straight to your door. So these are the things that we're offering for the men. Again, ladies, write this down or get your men in there and get them going. You're going to see a difference, I promise.
It's interesting to me, Lisa, and you touched upon this, the way that I think the national narrative has changed. Your business as it has evolved. 20 years ago, 15 years ago, men would be hesitant to talk in groups about hormone therapy or even the need of a doctor or not feeling well. It was that whole macho era. I'm okay. I'm feeling really good. Things have changed. I would guess, Jennifer, you probably heard your husband, and with his friends, actually openly talk about, hey, this has really helped me. That 25 again is, that hormone optimization has helped me. Have you heard these kind of conversations now? It's not uncommon, is it?
Oh, most definitely. And Mark, anytime he is asked, he will definitely say, I'm a member of 25 again, and because you want people to feel good,
sure,
and especially your friends. And so, and like Lisa said, this is something that is a process that everybody naturally goes through, and you can do something about it, and you can improve improve your quality of life. So I know Mark shares it with his friends, and many of them have become
And you
members.
share it?
I share it with my friends because you're able to help somebody. And if you can help someone live a better life, and we have complete confidence and trust in 25 Again, then you want to share that.
When we opened up the show, we talked about busy schedules that all of us have, really. If you're watching the show, I'm sure you're very busy. And she mentioned the pharmacy. Wow, how nice is that? That your meds can actually come to your door? What's your big experience?
Yes, you can have a convenient app on your phone. So when I meet with the doctors and nurse practitioners at 25 Again, if there's any changes, that is immediately communicated to New Vitalis. Then it will show up 24 to 48 hours later. If I need a refill, I can go to my app. I can hit refill prescription. I can tap which one I need, and boom, it's there. I will get an email confirmation. They'll let me know when it's going to arrive. It is very simple and easy. If I've ever had to call in, one of the things that has impressed me, because I have been a member for so long, they know me. I feel like they know my name. They're like, yes, Miss Lampkin. So it is definitely a nice option.
You know, I would think, because you mentioned mood and having to deal sometimes with our moodiness, you know, with guys, that this would be a nice little gift. You said this men's confidence package.
Absolutely,
if
yes.
you've been a little apprehensive, and perhaps your husband, your boyfriend has said, you know, I'm a little hesitant here, now's the time to pull the trigger, because this is a very special deal, right?
Absolutely, yes. I don't know how long we're going to offer this, but again, it's half off your consultation. This is for both men and women. That is $75. Normally it's $150. It's 2 appointments, a lab draw, and then a 1-hour analysis of that lab work. Goes over everything, not just the hormones like we talked about. Go to 25again.com/wave3 to purchase. Or if you have questions, of course, you can give us a call at 425-0500. Please leave a message. If they don't answer the phone, we do get busy when we do these shows, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have to get you started.
Have friends noticed a difference in both of you? Like when you're all together, as a couple, you're pretty dynamic, as are you and Ted. So when you guys get together, do people ever comment on, where do you guys get your energy? What's going on here?
And we say 25 again.
Okay, I set you up,
It's
and you
easy.
knocked it out of the park. All right, again, give them a call today, 25 Again, formerly Body Shapes Medical. They have a special going on right now, and you can take advantage of it. We talked about the half price.
Yes.
We also talked about the confidence package for the gentleman. And if you have any questions, you can give them a call as well. All right, we're going to take a little break, and we'll be right back. More with Lisa Innenbach and Jennifer Lampkin on Wave 3 Listens. We're live.